Here I have Mercedes GLB, and let me show you how to set and how to change the time zone on the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's swipe to the left to find the settings, so the car icon. Let's tap the car icon, as you can see right here, and as you can see, the settings usually starts with the assistance, but if you use the upper tab, you can select system. Under system, you can use the left menu to navigate. Scroll down almost to the bottom to select the time and date. If you tap time and date, you can find the time zone. As you can see, you can choose the time zone and you can use the automatic time zone. So you can set to automatic and let the car update itself via GPS as you drive across the borders, or you can choose one of the presets, so you can choose manually the time zones if you would like to. But in my case, let me use it on auto. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.